Our bodies are incredible machines capable of amazing things. One of these essential processes involves a tiny molecule called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a signaling molecule, a messenger that travels throughout your body, telling blood vessels to relax and widen. This widening, known as vasodilation, is crucial for healthy blood flow. Nitric oxide also acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, helping to calm down those pesky inflammatory responses that can lead to various health issues. By making conscious decisions about what we eat, how we move, and how we manage stress, we can naturally boost our nitric oxide levels and reap the rewards of a healthier, happier body. To learn more about boosting your nitric oxide levels and improving your health, subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more tips and information. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is vital for overall well-being. It ensures that our organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. High blood pressure, often called the silent killer, is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other serious health problems. It can go unnoticed for years, quietly damaging the body. Nitric oxide acts like a skilled traffic controller, signaling the blood vessels to relax and widen, allowing for smoother traffic flow. This process is crucial for maintaining optimal blood circulation. This widening of the blood vessels, known as vasodilation, reduces the pressure on the artery walls, effectively lowering blood pressure. It also helps improve overall cardiovascular health. Without enough nitric oxide, our blood vessels can become constricted, leading to increased pressure and potentially serious health consequences. This can result in conditions like hypertension and heart disease. Studies have found that individuals with higher levels of nitric oxide tend to have lower blood pressure readings. This highlights the importance of maintaining adequate nitric oxide levels in the body. Simple changes in our diet and daily routines can make a significant difference in our cardiovascular well-being. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables, regular exercise, and stress management can boost nitric oxide levels naturally. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal and protect themselves from injury and infection. However, chronic, low-grade inflammation can be detrimental to our health, contributing to a wide range of diseases. Nitric oxide emerges as a powerful warrior in the fight against inflammation. This remarkable molecule acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, helping to calm down the body's inflammatory response and protect our cells and tissues from damage. Nitric oxide helps to neutralize free radicals and restore balance, protecting our cells from oxidative damage. By supporting our body's natural defenses, we can help to prevent chronic inflammation and protect ourselves from a wide range of diseases. When it comes to boosting nitric oxide levels naturally, one dietary component stands out: nitrates. Nitrates, found abundantly in certain vegetables, are converted into nitric oxide in the body through a fascinating process. When we consume nitrate-rich foods, the bacteria in our mouths transform these nitrates into nitrites, which are then further converted into nitric oxide. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, arugula, and lettuce are excellent sources of nitrates. Beets, especially beetroot juice, are another potent source of these nitric oxide-boosting compounds. By incorporating a variety of nitrate-rich foods into our diets, we can naturally enhance our body's ability to produce nitric oxide and reap the numerous health benefits it provides. Ready to boost your nitric oxide levels through your diet? Start by embracing the power of leafy greens. Spinach, often hailed as a superfood, is an excellent source of nitrates. Add a handful of spinach to your smoothies, salads, or stir-fries for a nitric oxide boost. Arugula, with its peppery bite, is another great choice. Beets, especially beetroot juice, are renowned for their nitric oxide boosting properties. Celery, often overlooked, is another surprising source of nitrates. By incorporating these nitrate-rich foods into your meals regularly, you can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to produce nitric oxide naturally. Physical activity offers a myriad of health benefits, and boosting nitric oxide levels is one of them. Exercise, particularly cardiovascular exercise, acts as a potent stimulus for nitric oxide production, enhancing blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. When we engage in physical activity, our muscles require more oxygen, signaling the body to produce more nitric oxide. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or any activity that gets your heart rate up. find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your regular routine. Even short bursts of exercise throughout the day can be beneficial. While diet and exercise are the cornerstones of naturally boosting nitric oxide levels, other lifestyle factors and supplements can also play a role. Sunshine, for instance, offers more than just vitamin D. It also stimulates nitric oxide production. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight exposure daily, preferably during the early morning or late afternoon. Certain supplements can also support nitric oxide production. L-arginine, an amino acid, is a precursor to nitric oxide. As always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Boosting nitric oxide levels is not about focusing on a single magic bullet. It's about embracing a holistic approach that encompasses various aspects of your lifestyle, integrating them seamlessly into your daily routine. By making conscious choices about what you eat, how you move, and how you live, and how you manage stress, you can create a balanced and healthy environment for your body. You can naturally support your body's nitric oxide production, which is crucial for maintaining good health. Start by incorporating more nitrate-rich foods into your diet, such as leafy greens, beets, and celery. These foods are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a vital molecule for your cardiovascular system. Make exercise a regular part of your routine, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. Physical activity not only boosts nitric oxide levels, but also enhances overall fitness and well-being. Manage stress through techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. These practices help lower stress hormones that can negatively impact nitric oxide production. By adopting a holistic approach, you can create an environment within your body that fosters optimal nitric oxide production, leading to improved cardiovascular health, reduced inflammation, and enhanced overall well-being. This comprehensive strategy ensures that your body functions at its best. Embrace this holistic lifestyle to unlock the full potential of nitric oxide and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Maintaining healthy nitric oxide levels is not a destination. It's an ongoing commitment to your well-being. It's a lifelong journey of making conscious choices that support your body's natural ability to produce this essential molecule. Every meal, every activity, and every moment of self-care contributes to this goal. Embrace a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and other whole foods, with an emphasis on nitrate-rich options like leafy greens and beets. Make physical activity a non-negotiable part of your routine, incorporating a mix of cardiovascular, strength, and flexibility exercises. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's jogging, cycling, or yoga, and make them a regular habit to keep your body active and engaged. Soak up some sunshine daily, as sunlight helps your body produce nitric oxide naturally. Allow its rays to naturally boost your nitric oxide levels, enhancing your overall health and mood. Manage stress effectively through techniques that work for you, such as meditation, yoga, or simply spending time in nature. Whether it's meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, find what calms your mind and stick to it. Prioritize sleep, allowing your body the time it needs to repair and rejuvenate, enhancing nitric oxide production in the process. Quality sleep is essential for overall health. By making sustainable lifestyle changes, you can support your body's natural functions. You can enjoy the long-term benefits of healthy nitric oxide levels and live a healthier, happier life. Embrace these habits and make them part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and information. Your support helps us create more content to help you live a healthier life.